start with, I mean, you can re-add your camera if you want to, but what we're going to start with is a plane. We're just going to put this plane out there. And today we're going to be learning how to do glass lamps with different colours to them. So we're going to add a circle to begin with, and we're just going to make a base for the lamp. And this is going to be an emission rather than a light, so that we can just move the lamps around freely. So you're going to want to go to the edit mode, press F to make a face. You're going to want to select everything, E for extrude. We're just going to scale out, make a little platform here, E for extrude, E for extrude, E for extrude. We're going to go E for extrude again, scale inwards just slightly, E for extrude, scale inwards just slightly, and then this is where the magic happens, right? So this is going to be the base of our lamp, and what we want to do is we're going to want to go E for extrude